Stop what you're doing and grab your keys because Dollarama's Fall Decor is here and the best pieces won't stay on the shelf for long. I'm Megan, and today on Crave Your Home, I'm counting down my 15 Dollarama Fall Decor Jackpots, from designer look ceramic pumpkins to the most realistic fall stems I've ever seen, plus a few hidden finds you won't discover in the seasonal aisle. I'll show you exactly how I'd style them to create a warm, high-end fall home on a budget, so grab a coffee and let's get shopping. Let's start in the kitchen because creating a cozy coffee station is one of my favorite ways to transition into a new season. And these pumpkin trays are perfect. They are a metal tray. They come in the orange and the cream. They're new this year at Dollarama for $5. And to corral your coffee station, you need to grab one of these pumpkin trays. Grounding your items on a tray instantly makes a space look styled rather than cluttered, so trays are a great way to do that. They also have these plastic pumpkin ones. You can use these as well for serving, or you could use these even as a charger for under your plates for your table setting. They have these large ones with the gold lettering as well if they are more your style. And they have these wooden ones. These ones were out last year as well, but you can use these as a tray. You could also stand them up against your counter and have them as a display in the background, like a portrait. I really like the green Hello Fall one. I think that's probably my favorite one. To add to your coffee station, they have the cutest mugs this year. I love this green grateful one. It has the speckled, like the stoneware type mug. They also have it in a red blessed one. And I'm pretty sure I seen online that they have it in orange with thankful on it. I couldn't find it at my store, but I do really love these mugs. If you are in more of the stoneware but plainer, you can find these ones in the dish aisle as well. I love these colors that they have, definitely giving me for fall vibes with the sage green and the grays. Guys, if you are enjoying these finds, make sure you hit subscribe. And to top it off, they have this salt and pepper shaker in the pumpkins that were so cute. I thought they would look so cute on a table. And these glass jars, you could easily use these as well to hold your coffee pods in them to give it a little fall vibe on your counter space. If you're looking for something else to add to those glass jars, you can add these cute cookie cutters and spatulas with the little sayings, and add in some of the wooden utensils as they have here in the kitchen aisle to really elevate your kitchen counters for fall. They also have these really sweet cutting boards with the recipes on them for cinnamon cake, pumpkin pie, and carrot cake. I love adding these to my counter. And to add a little bit of a darker stain, they have this cheese board in the kitchen aisle. You could use this to put up against the other cutting boards on your counter, or you could use it flat and lay a nice fall candle on it as well. They have these cutting boards too. They're more like a little sign, but they have the easel on the back for $3.50. I think these are a cute whimsy look too, to put against your counter somewhere in your kitchen. Another jackpot people always overlook at the dollar store are their cookbooks. I love this orchard one for fall. The color scheme is perfect. It says $5, but when I checked it in, it was 4. They also have It's a Wonderful Life cookbook right now. I know it's a little early for Christmas, but you need to go get it because it will be gone. I like to prop one open on a bookstand next to my cutting boards for an instant homey feel. They also have these plaid placemats in the dining aisle. Do not pass them by. You can buy 2 of these and easily use fabric glue or hot glue to glue around the edges, stuff them, and you can make yourself a custom high-end looking lumbar pillow for a fraction of the cost of the real one. They have some different designs. I'm going to pick up these orange woven ones to make a cushion for myself out of these. I like the bright color orange, but they have some really pretty striped ones and plaid ones there. Another idea for these is to glue them end to end, and you can make a really nice table runner. So lots of ideas for these placemats. Speaking of pillows, they do have some fall cushions in. I will tell you, they are 450, but they are very flimsy. If you go with these, I would definitely suggest adding some more padding into them because they're a little bit sad. The pattern on them is really cute. They have this green gingham with the pumpkins, and then they have the leaves. They also have this one with the pumpkins, and they have another one with just one pumpkin in the middle. So while they are cute for fall for 4.50, you're definitely going to want to add some more fill into them. They also have these furry cushions there. So if you did want to do a quick update to your sofa cushions, you could easily pair them together. I would either go with the brown furry with the pumpkins to match the stems or the lighter ones. This next jackpot was not in the fall aisle, but I had to show you because I was super surprised to find them here. So normally Dollarama has these little sheer curtains. They're a terrible material, they're really thin, but now they have these really nice thick curtains with grommets, and they have some really pretty patterns for fall. So this one with the leaf motif is really pretty. They also have this white one with an embossed kind of leaf pattern for a more neutral feel. But these are great for $5. You can easily do a big window for 20 bucks. And look what else I found next to the curtains. I have these houses lined up on my windowsill. You can see them in my spring decorating video. I will link it in the description, but they now have it in a brown. So I am totally picking this up for fall. I'm going to put either a tea light in it or some fairy lights, and it's definitely going somewhere on my island. Speaking of fall decorating for your living room, nothing cozies up a space like a candle. I love these glass little candle holders for votive candles. You can easily put an LED in these, and they would give such a pretty fall vibe. They also have these beautiful candles. They are 3-wick candles. They come in this green. I've also seen them in a red and an orange, and they have 3 wicks, and I love the little design on top with the pumpkins. I also really like these. It's a metal pumpkin with some leaves and flowers, and it comes with an LED candle. These were here last year, and I didn't get one. I'm definitely picking one up this year because I think it would look really pretty on an accent table. And of course, don't forget to actually go to the candle aisle to see what they have in. I found these ones, Kate's Home Candles. They have a pumpkin one and a peach. They smell delicious. I love the jar that they're in with the black cover. So these would look really cute on a tray with a pumpkin and some flowers on your island or on your table. So I'm definitely going to pick up one of these as well. And in the taper candle section, they had these ombre ones, which I thought were really pretty. They came in a couple of different colors. I like the beigey ones for fall, but you can pick whatever ones go at your home decor. And speaking of styling trays, you know Dollarama is bringing it for signs and little doodads to go on trays for fall. So I love these little ones. If you have a 3-tier tray, these are really cute for $2. I really like the Welcome to Our Patch one. They also have these really nice wooden pumpkins. These would look really cute on a tray or on shelves if you have open shelving that you need to style, or on your mantle. They have them in 3 colors: the orange, the white, which of course I love, and a sagey green. Just I'll gingerly pick it up because I don't want to knock everything down, but that's the sagey green color as well. And they also had these new this year. These are really nice for Canadians. They have the maple leaf and the acorn. Again, would look cute on a tray or on a shelf styling. And if you're not sure what to put together, they have these cute little sets. These are great for 3-tier trays, especially because they have a couple of little signs and the little beads for $4. So they have different ones. Oh, the little coffee cup would look really cute on our pumpkin tray with our mugs for our coffee styling. They have a couple of different options here. Okay, we would not be doing a fall shop with me video without pumpkins. These ones are $4.75. They're nice and heavy. They're ceramic. I love them. These are HomeSense comparable. They have them in the white as well as the orange. I will definitely be picking up a couple of these because they are so versatile. You can put them on your mantle. They are great for tray styling. And look at these beautiful ceramic light up ones. They would look so pretty lit up in the evening. They have the LED, and I love the carved feature in them. For a couple of bucks, these are definitely a great find. Continuing with our HomeSense dupes, these ones are $3, and they are very much like the ones at HomeSense that you will see retailing for $10 to $15 each. I love the pretty colors and the shine that they have to them, and these stackable ones as well. Dollarama has so many cute pumpkins in every color. So whatever your color scheme is, you can find pumpkins to go with it. They have these beautiful pastel colors. They also have these larger foam pumpkins. I like the yellowy beige color and the orange. The orange is not too bright orange, but you can easily use these for some DIYs as well. So make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss my DIY fall video coming up. I also love these velvet ones. These look very high end as well. You could use these on your tablescape. And I love these knitted ones. So the stem can look a little bit fake to me, so I might would probably paint that a little bit of a darker gold just to make it a little bit more high end. But I would go and grab one of these baskets and then add some of these soft pumpkins to it, and it would make such a nice display. To add texture around the candles or in a decorative bowl, you have to hunt down these velvet and tweed pumpkins. The fabric makes them look so luxurious, like something you'd buy at a high-end department store. And if you add some different shapes and sizes together, it will really give you a high-end look. So the honeycomb decorations were really in style at Christmas time, and while I don't usually go for trends, I thought these honeycomb pumpkins at Dollarama had a pretty high-end look because they have a magnetic closure, which is great. So no more stumbling with tape or those sticky tabs to try to keep them together that can give it a really cheap look. So I think these are actually a really fun find for this year. All right, the last thing we need are some florals. So they do have some pretty neutral stems here this year. A trick I like to do with these stems is to buy 3 or 4 and actually tie them together with zip ties and bend them around to make a wreath. They're already full, they already have the embellishments of the pumpkins and the flowers, so it can make a really quick wreath by just bending them around and zip tying them together. I also really like this deep color. I'm feeling more of the deepy maroons and stuff this year than the bright oranges. I think they're really in style and it's just giving me a really cozy feel. They also have these pre-designed little planters, and while they are cute, I tend to not go for them. I would rather make my own arrangements around my house. I find it gives it a more higher end look. So I will head over to the aisle with the vases. Dollarama is stepping up their pottery game. I found some beautiful muted earthy vases that look handmade. And to go in those vases, they're fall floral stems. My biggest tip here is to buy 3 or 4 of the exact same stem rather than mixing a bunch of different ones. It looks much more modern and expensive. But they do have these grasses here this year that I love. These are very on trend. They're $1.75, so you could easily get a bunch of these to put in a vase. And I love the colors. They have this purpley color, this deep red, and a coffee color, and an orange color as well. So I think these are definitely coming home with me this year. Another one of my favorite finds are these little flowers. They have them in the yellow and the orange, and these can look really pretty in those bud vases around. I also love these hydrangea stems. I am buying a couple of these to put in a vase for sure. They have the muted tones that I like for my neutral decor, and they're only $2 each. Another thing that you need to pick up are these eucalyptus leaves. They have the green ones that I usually use in the summer, but these ones have this fall feel to them for $3. These would look beautiful. Dollarama nailed it this year, but these won't last long. Comment your favorite find below, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming fall DIYs, and I'll see you in the next one.